Jiribamgi CMO Yamna Toina Sinba Yaningde transfer Taurakhiba CMO Bu suspend Tauba condemn Taui Jahi Ama Helaba Fauba joint Taudaba Dr. Amabu Hospital Asigi Deputy Medical Superintendent Oina Hapchilakpa Yaningde CHC Jiribambu full-fledged district hospital Ohenduna staff Amadi infrastructure Matik Chana upgrade Taubiu Amasung Delhi wages da Ladyba staff Singi Pithoktana Ladyba Tolo Pithokpiu Haiba demanda ngasi Jiribamgi Pamung Yankai Leba Hospital gi OPD block da Wakat Meepham Chathakhre Hospital Asigi Hojik Ladyba staff sing nursing Amadi Dr. Singna Sinduna ngasi Pangthokiba Wakat Meepham Aduda upgrade CHC Jiribam to district hospital, no undue interference in health sector. We condemn the frequent transfer of CMO Jiribam. We demand adequate staff for Jiribam only hospital Hyperplay Singh Sizinaki.